Pujal Katiyar. I have enrolled myself at Akash Byju's in Prayagraj at Uttar Pradesh. Now the strategy that I followed was to give tests regularly and also to attend the classes regularly. The difference between mains and advanced here is that there are certain topics which are main oriented. For example, like in maths we have statistics, in physics we have magnetism and matter. These topics you need to study from NCERT, and for JEE Advanced I think my modules are enough for that. Give tests for JEE Advanced regularly and also do it accurately. In the major subjects, that is physics, chemistry and mathematics, the subject topics were the same, and moreover the syllabus was also same. So the only thing that I did was that before the examination, 2 to 3 days before the examination, I went through all the definitions which were there in the books. And for the other subject, that is for English, and my optional subject was physical education, and in English I have just gone through the formats that are there, like in essay format, letter format. In physical education, once when we had the practicals, then I had studied once, and then once I have studied before the examination, because I got almost more than a week holidays here. For physics, chemistry and mathematics, you can go to the target only, that is very much sufficient. There were few challenges that I faced during the preparation. For example, there were tests in which I scored less marks than I expected. For that, there were teachers and my parents' support who motivated me and told me that I could perform better in the next test. I think my parents played a lot of role in my success and achievement. They constantly encouraged me whenever I had failures and always told me to be motivated and achieve your goal. Last month is very much important, whether it is for JEE Mains or whether it is for JEE Advanced. Before JEE Mains, I covered all the JEE Main oriented topics. For example, in physics there is magnetism and matter here. In maths we have statistics and mathematical reasoning and so on. So it is important that you need to read through the NCERT very carefully, because direct questions are asked from NCERT. In mathematics you can solve some additional questions also. And also I went through the modules, that is section A, section B, which are there in our module here, in our Akash module. So all those sections thoroughly, and also revise all the concepts that you can. स्ट्रिक्ट शेड्यूल फॉलो करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. ये ज़रूरी है कि आप दोनों साल 11th और 12th वही शेड्यूल फॉलो करते रहें. अगर मैं अपने शेड्यूल के बारे में बात करूं तो मैं यूजुअली रात में पढ़ना पसंद करती थी, क्योंकि मुझे रात में ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के साथ में पढ़ पाती थी, और इसी बीच में अपनी पढ़ाई करती थी. और हर दिन का मैं एक टारगेट सेट करती थी हर एक सब्जेक्ट में, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री और मैथ में, जो कि मुझे अचीव करना होता था. मैं आपसे ये नहीं कहूँगी आप मेरा टाइम टेबल फॉलो करिए, बट ये ज़रूर कहूँगी कि आप अपना टारगेट सेट करिए और उसको अचीव करिए. ब्रेन को रिलैक्स करने की भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है, क्योंकि ब्रेन भी पूरे दिन काम करके थक जाता है. इसलिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है कि हमें ब्रेक लेना चाहिए. मैं भी अपनी पढ़ाई में बहुत ही ब्रेक लिया करती थी, मतलब बीच बीच में ब्रेक लिया करती थी 10 मिनट का, जैसे कि 2 घंटे पढ़ने के बाद 10 मिनट का ब्रेक. तो यूजुअली मैं कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ में बहुत ही इंटरेस्टेड थी, जैसे कि सिंगिंग और डांसिंग, तो ये सब मैं कर लिया करती थी. वरना अगर मुझे टहलना होता था तो शाम को मैं 5-10 मिनट के लिए बाहर टहलाती थी, और कभी कभार मम्मी पापा के साथ बैठ के थोड़ा बात कर लेती थी अपना माइंड को रिलैक्स करने के लिए. मेरा आकाश बायजूस में एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अच्छा था. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अब मैं और कॉन्फिडेंट हो चुकी हूँ. पहले ऐसे होता था कि जैसे कोई JEE एडवांस का क्वेश्चन उठाया तो देखने से पहले डर लगता था, बट अब हमने इतने क्वेश्चन ऐसे कर ही लिए हैं कि अब देखने से भी डर नहीं लगता और आसानी से उसको अप्रोच कर पा रहे हैं. प्लस यहाँ के जो टीचर्स हैं वो बहुत ही फ्रेंडली हैं और कभी भी हमारे डाउट्स आसानी से सॉल्व हो जाते हैं. कोरोना के समय हम जब भी रात में भी अगर भेजें तो हमेशा डाउट सॉल्व हो जाते हैं. तो यहाँ पे सिस्टम बहुत ही अच्छा है कि आपको 24/7 डाउट सॉल्व हो जा रहे हैं. It is very much important that you need to be away from such kind of distraction by deleting all the social media accounts. Stay connected with those friends who are ambitious towards their studies and goals, and do not talk so much with the friends and waste time. The advice that I would like to give to the JEE aspirants is that to be confident and to solve the questions in given time. Be open to your teachers and ask doubts as much as you can, and also solve the questions taking time period and also solve it accurately here. Moreover, I would like to thank my parents as well as all the teachers of Akash Byju's who have helped me in this entire journey and in succeeding me and giving me this result. Thank you everyone.